Welcome back to our 30 days Python series. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can take input from the user. So let me just show you how we can do this. So let's see first, let's print, okay, and let me just print something like how old are you? And once I run this program, so that will give me the output like how old are you? But I don't have any option to input, or user don't have any option to write their age. So how we can get input from the user, because we have asked here some question. So for that we need to use here the input. So first I'm going to create one variable as like age and equal, okay, this is the age and input. Now in the input you'll see whenever you ask, so that program will ask to the users, okay, and once they put anything, so that will store in the age variable. And now let's print it. So for the print, I'm going to just again print and just say here your age is, and we need to use here the plus sign, okay, to add a string with the variables. It's like that the variable is age, okay. Using this variable, okay, we are getting the user's age, okay. So let me just run this, click on the run, okay, and you can see how old are you, and you have option, okay. So I'm going to say here 18 and just enter. You can see your age is 18, right? So this is really a very simple program where you can ask from user to get any input. You can ask the age, you can ask their name, anything you can ask, okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.